Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click that subscribe button, and if you're a regular, welcome back. So I'll be doing an update on Chebe powder, how it treated me. Firstly, I think let me start with the cons. It was very itchy. It smells, and to think you can't wash your hair for that long in this hot weather. And apparently you're not supposed to actually apply it on your scalp. Like I saw a message, someone commented on my last video that you're not supposed to do it from the scalp. The container initially said from the root. Yeah, it does say on the container, it does say from the root. So I'll just take off this first one and see, then I'm gonna wash my hair. Washing my hair for the first time after 14 days. It's so itchy. Okay, I just washed my hair. It didn't grow. I thought it would grow like so big over 14 days. But yeah, my scalp is so painful though. It's itching, like I'm going through the most. The water touched my scalp. It was like I could scream. So I don't know how I feel about Chebe. I'm so sad. I'm so disappointed. Maybe it's just my skin that's sensitive. I don't know. But I just... you know? Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've used Chebe powder and if it treated you better. Subscribe to my channel. Till the next one.